Welcome to our series on safe forklift operations in Singapore. In this first video, we'll introduce you to forklifts and their significance in various industrial settings. Forklifts are essential material handling equipment used in Singapore's warehouses, manufacturing facilities, and distribution centers. However, to ensure the safe operation of forklifts in Singapore, it's crucial to understand and comply with strict safety regulations. In this video, we'll explore the safety regulations that govern forklift operations in Singapore. Singapore places a high priority on workplace safety, and forklifts are subject to stringent safety standards. We'll cover topics such as operator training, load capacity, maintenance, and safe operating procedures. Adhering to these guidelines is paramount to prevent accidents and maintain a secure work environment. Before operating a forklift in Singapore, it's imperative to perform a comprehensive pre-operation inspection. This video will provide you with a checklist of items to inspect, ensuring that your forklift is in optimal condition before use. Regular inspections not only enhance safety, but also help identify potential issues and prevent accidents, safeguarding the operator and the colleagues working nearby. These safety measures are critical to ensure the safe and efficient operation of forklifts in Singapore's workplaces.